Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss how to export WhatsApp chats on your Android phone. WhatsApp is a popular messaging app that allows you to stay in touch with friends and family worldwide. Sometimes conversations contain important information or media that should be backed up outside of the messaging platform. We will walk you through steps to export WhatsApp chats on your Android device for ensuring records remain available if the app is uninstalled or account deleted. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone or tablet. Tap the Chats tab at the top of the screen to access your full chat list. When viewing the chat you wish to export, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select More from the menu. Choose Export Chat to proceed with backing up the conversation. You will now see options for including or omitting media and files sent within the chat. Select whether exporting the text only or full chat history suits your needs. Tapping either text only or full chat history will provide locations for saving your export. Internal storage, Google Drive, or other installed apps can be used as the destination. Select where the chat export will be stored. The export time will depend on the number of messages and media in the conversation. Do not close WhatsApp or power off your device until the export completes to avoid corrupt files or incomplete backups. Once downloaded, you can access the exported WhatsApp chat through the application or service used as the saving folder. Internal storage saves chats directly to your device storage. Google Drive uploads files to your cloud storage, and other apps will have the chat saved within that application. Consider exporting additional chats or making regular backups of conversation history for important discussions. Third-party WhatsApp apps are not recommended over the native app features for simple functions like chat exporting, as additional security risks may be introduced using other software. In summary, to export WhatsApp chats on your Android phone, open WhatsApp, Chats, select the conversation to export, tap the three dots, and select Export Chat. Choose between text only or full chat history, then pick either internal storage, Google Drive, or another app as the saving destination. Wait for exporting to complete, then access your chat backup through the selected app or service.